In this video, we're going to go over how to create a lead generation ad campaign. Now, something that I want you to keep in mind here is with the lead generation forms, this is where we can have people submit their information, right there and then through Facebook without having them to leave the actual platform. Now, this is good for us because it's very easy for the individuals to submit their information and actually convert into a lead. However, that also means that people can easily submit their information, and that doesn't necessarily mean that they're the most hottest prospect, right? It's just making it easy for them to submit their information. So you can start this out here as a lead generation campaign to gather leads, right? Gather a list. And know and understand that this is going to be mostly to cold traffic if you're just running a lead generation campaign from scratch. Now, the best way to leverage the lead generation campaign is by running this to an actual warm audience. So just think about the middle of funnel where somebody maybe has already liked our Facebook page, somebody has engaged with one of our ads, they have had some kind of interaction, already seen the brand in the first place. The custom retargeting audiences are going to be great for this, okay? However, it still works regardless if you're running from scratch, but just keep in mind that this is going to work the best when we can retarget individuals that have already been familiar and interacted with our brand, especially if they like our Facebook page, right? Because we can create a custom audience of everybody that likes our Facebook page and then run lead generation campaign to those individuals. And so now those are very, very hot prospects because they're already aware of our brand. They've interacted with us. They like our page. And now they're in the middle of funnel where in the consideration stage where now that it's easier for them to become a lead and it's not cold traffic, right? Name this dental implant lead gen, okay? And then let's go to continue. And here we want to put the audience ad set information. And then let's go down here. Let's grab the address right there, copy. And then let's exit this. Okay. Typically what we would do here, like I mentioned, for the best results is by running a retargeting campaign to those who have already engaged with us. However, for this example here, we're just going to run this to cold traffic, okay? So let's go ahead and go right there, boom, 10-mile radius, 25 to 55. We'll go to continue. Let's name this dental implant lead generation, okay? And then we want a single image. And let's go to implant. Let's go ahead and select this one right there. Okay, great. Now we have the image right there. That's the implant. So I've gone ahead and copied and pasted the ad copy here. You'll notice we have the text up here. We have the headline. We have the URL. We have the description as well. So we'll go down here and we will create a new form, okay? And there's two different types of options here. We have the more volume and higher intent. So this is a review step that gives people a chance to confirm their info. Okay, so what we want here is we want the higher intent. And the reason for this is because when we're getting volume, right, it's great to have that volume coming in. However, the probability of those individuals actually buying from us or actually taking up the offer is going to be very low because a lot of times you'd be surprised. A lot of people will submit their information with the higher volume and you come back to them and they don't really remember or don't really recall actually filling out this form. So we want to go with the higher intent so we can go for quality over quantity. So we'll go right here to the higher intent. And then for the intro here, this is where we're going to put our headline here. So get your $9.99. Let's put this here. Dental implant offer. Okay. And we'll go like this. Okay, great. And then we'll use the same image there. And then this is the text under there. So we would put in here, get your $9.99 dental implant offer before time runs out. Okay, nice and simple there. And then for the questions here, we want to have the full name. So we'll move this up here. And so we also want to have a phone number in here. So we'll go to contact fields, we'll go to phone number. And so we'll put the full name, email, and phone number. So that should be just what we need there. And then for the privacy policy, I'm going to go ahead and grab a privacy policy here from a dental website. So we'll go like this, copy, put it in here. We'll go to privacy policy. Whoops, we'll put it right here. There we go. And then we'll go like this. Okay, great. And this should be good to go here. This is the review screen. This is going to let them know how this is going to look after they've put in their information for review. And then this is the actual thank you screen. So you can put this here as far as the link to your website, or maybe if you want them to go to another page to maybe watch some kind of video training or some kind of opt-in form, whatever that may be that you want to also have on your website. Maybe you want them to book an appointment as well. You can have a calendar page set up where you can have like Calendly or Acuity or one of these other different service providers for booking calendar appointments, right? So right here you would put in your info has been sent to, or you can just put in here your info has been sent to dental or XYZ dental services, right? And then you'd want to make sure you put in your company information here. So this is going to be it here. You're done. And the biggest thing here I want you to really understand and keep an eye on is the fact that you want to use the higher intent, because like I said, you're going to get a lot of volume with the more volume section here. However, it's not going to be as high quality lead. So you want to go for quality over quantity. Okay. So that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.